Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a selection sort algorithm in Scratch 3.0. So I have created a new project and there's this block of code. Just to copy this, so it will just create some variables here. We are going to be using almost all these variables. First, we need to make two methods. Let's create a block. Okay, here is I'm going to call this, and we are going to be adding this thing. It's in number or text input. So this is similar to the bubble sort algorithm video. Okay, now we have this method. Now let's create it. So we have a list. First, let's clear the list. Now we shall go to the sensing player and drag and ask block. Sensing tab, this one, and we can put something like this. Now we need an if block. We need two of these like this, and go to operators. Just get this. Just get two of these and an OR block, not an AND block, just an OR one. Go back to sensing. Get the answer block from here. We need two of these, so I'm going to duplicate it. Now I'm just going to put. Oh wait, if you have put just so one, so one, and here there will be two. Now we don't need this at at the moment. Let this be there. I'm just going to create another block for selection sort initialize numbers. So these are our two methods. We just need this. So let's do for this. Go to control, get a repeat 10, and drag this n here. We need an ask block, and then go to variables, add answer to numbers. This is in sensing, as you are able to see earlier. Now this is for definite. It has been finished for definite. Now we are going to also going to get another repeat here. I will just drag n here as well for answer is equal to 2x. But before this, we need two ask blocks. and in variables get there's one less variable here, create a variable called max. Just add it here. Max to answer, and next one will be set min to answer. I'm just going to put enter maximum. I'll just put this like this. Now we are going to get this answer again. Put it above here, and now we are going to add into numbers, drag one here. It is in the variables, so shove it down. Also, let's just make it so that this is visible spot. Now we are going to go to operators, pick random 1 to 10, drag that. We are going to put min and just max. Not here. Okay, that was just a bug. I had to refresh the page. Min to max, two numbers. So like this. That is all. We have finished the initialize numbers method. Now we are going to start doing the selection sort method. We will set j to 1. I have to, these are all the variables you can see again. Okay, now we are going to drag a repeat 10 loop in here. Now instead of 10, we are going to put, yeah, that should be, here it is, the minus block. We put 1 here, and then we have to take length. So repeat length minus 1 times. We are going to set this variable called the index minimum to j. Now we are going to set I to j minus 1. So duplicate this again. Take that out. Put j here. Now we are going to put it j minus 1. Now we are going back to control, and then we are going to drag this repeat until here. Now we need an if then inside. So we are going to first build in the repeat until. So in that we are going to need greater than. Okay, this. So whether I is which instead of j minus 1 we need plus 1. So I will be j plus 1. We are going to repeat until I is greater than length. Now if item I of numbers is lesser than item index minimum of numbers. So if item I of numbers is less than item index minimum of numbers, we are going to set index minimum to I. Then we are going to change I by 1, and if you want you can put a wait 1 second block in here. I am going to put 0.2. So now we are going to put another if then loop. Now if index 2, I mean j, that is index 2, I am going to say j, as in j is index 2 and I is index 1. So if j is greater than index minimum, then we are going to set 10 to item j of numbers, and now we are going to replace item j of numbers with index minimum of numbers. Now we are again going to replace item index minimum of numbers, so with temp. We don't need to put item temp of numbers, we just need to put temp. Now we are going to change j by 1. Not here. Okay, now let's check it. 10 numbers randomized, so 100. As you can see, it is working. Let's see the result of this. As you can see, it is in order, and that's how we have created selection sort way in Scratch 3.0. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.